Hello and welcome to Empowering Moments with Velvet. Hey, listen, I wanted to show you that you do not have to always purchase new things. Kind of use what you have in your home and just make it look new. Well, in my bathroom, I really wanted to purchase a new vanity. However, after looking at it, I decided to go ahead and just kind of paint the drawers because the drawers had really started looking really bad. So I just put a little coat of paint on the drawers, and I'm just going to make the old new. So I put a coat of paint on the drawers, and then I had my friend add a shelf. So this was just one unit here, and I just had him to go ahead and add a shelf to that and give me more real estate down there. So we added the shelf and on each side, and now I have more real estate. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and decorate this space. I'll be back. I purchased these little trays from Targets for $1. So I'm going to use these to do kind of like a grocery store method as far as my storage down in my bin. And as you can see, I've added some towels. There. But look, I have more real estate space, so I can do that. And just continue to stay tuned. This is the grocery store method where I am taking my products and I am just kind of lining them up, in a row so that you can see what's going on. This is where I'm storing all of my hair products, my curling irons. And you guys remember that? Remember that? Those for your curlers. But yeah, I still have all of that and I still use it. This is where I'm storing all of this stuff. Now let's find a space to store my water pick, my electric toothbrush, and all of my dental hygienic items. And here we go. And these are my travel items when I'm traveling. I have my Q-tips, my cotton swabs, my razors, all the things that I need when I'm traveling. And I just put these in a box. All right, we have our finished product. As I stated, I took the old and I made it new. This is just my version of organizing my bathroom sink, under my bathroom sink. And as you can see, I have purchased some containers in order to get things to look neat and orderly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I did. Down here in the first box, I have all of my dental hygiene apparatus, my electric toothbrush, my water pick, all the things that I use for my dental hygiene. In the middle is where I keep my traveling packs, where when I'm traveling, I can have my Q-tips and my cotton balls and my, hair nets or whatever, shower caps. The third item is all of my personal miscellaneous items. I have those in there. And then let's move on to this area here. And what we have here is my, my soap and my shower gels and my deodorant. And then this big container here houses my all of my hair products that I use. And then, of course, I have some towels here. And remember, I said that we added this shelf so that I could have a little more real estate so that I can kind of stack things. And on this side, I added some more towels. And so I think it just looks absolutely beautiful. And it's just enough room to not be cluttered, but just look nice and neat. And then in the drawers, I have taken and in the drawers, I have hand towels. And then I have, my Q-tips and soap and, extra things, cotton balls. And then this drawer, I also have hand towels. So again, this is my organizing my vanity in my bathroom. Just want to get you a good little view of it. And I painted I had my friend painted the inside of the vanity because, it had, it's 20-something years old, this house is, 20-something years old. So I'm just trying to kind of refresh on a budget. I'm refreshing on a budget. Thank you for watching Empowering Moments with Velvet, and you be blessed.